Good morning, y'all. Jason and I are in charge of breakfast this morning. Everybody on this trip takes a meal usually. Last night we went out to a nice dinner. So we're gonna cook breakfast, and it works out for us because we're early birds anyways. So we're making a gravy and sausage bake, which is like a casserole, breakfast casserole. It's got eggs and sausage and gravy on it. So we're gonna get to work on that. I'll try to vlog some of it for you guys. So we found this recipe online and we're doubling it. So there's 12 eggs. And I'm gonna add a cup of milk and scramble that. There's 2 things of biscuits, and you just slice them into 8. That's what Jason's doing right now. And 2 pounds of sausage. And you gotta cook that sausage. You don't have to scramble the eggs though, so that's kind of nice. You gotta cook the eggs, you do have to scramble them. All right, now we're starting the cooking process. He's gonna cook the sausage, and I'm gonna cook the gravy. For the gravy, you need a stick of butter. It says 8 tablespoons because we're doing double the recipe. 4 cups of milk and salt and pepper. So let's see how this goes. Never made gravy. First time for everything, right? I've made like gravy for pork chops, but we'll see. People are probably thinking, how's she gonna make that with just butter and milk? Oh, yeah, you have to have flour. So I'm gonna get some flour out too. I'm melting this butter down. Look at us cooking together. Getting along, making breakfast. Yeah, so we got up at 6:30. Went to bed at midnight, got up at 6:30 because what, kids and your schedule, you just get up naturally that early. It's so silly. So maybe tomorrow we can sleep late. I definitely plan on taking a nap today. Sausage and cheese on it. All right, they're in the oven and they bake for 30 to 45 minutes. We'll probably do 45 to make sure they're good and done. And we're gonna clean up our mess. So that's it. That's what's up.
It's really hard work to make a Bitmoji person.
Natalie's the model and Pam is the supervisor, coordinator.
That's why I like that one down there, but it's just
a team process. This is a team process.
Doesn't get much better than this, folks. Doesn't get much better than this. And look, there's Sammy down there setting up our beach day. Everybody's here. It's beautiful. 2 different kinds of people at the beach. Those that like to do activities like Sammy and Sharon, and those of us that bring books to read. I'll let you guess which one I am. Look at Sammy.
Paddleball champion.
Paddleball champion 2016.
7 years running.
Welcome to the party! We're here for the party! Just hanging out in the little pool.
So they ran the pipe for your neighbor's wall?
Everybody say hey to your fans. Say hey to your fans. You're all going to be on YouTube tomorrow. Just look at Gordon. Check him out. And the hat and the towel. Woo. Looking good, Gordon. Looking good. So I'm excited about being at the beach with people, and I love it, and we're having a great time. But one of my least favorite things about the beach is waiting on people, because it's too hot to wait. I'm just ready to go to the beach. So, and I'm waiting. Bill riding his bike to the beach. I love it. Come Jeff and Sharon on their bikes. There's Jeffrey. Look how cute they are. We're at the beach. That's our little setup down there. The beauty of the beach. I'm just going to say that I think the Gulf of Mexico is one of the prettiest places. Sandy white beaches. Water. So it's a little swimming in there. It's beautiful. The Sushi chef and his wife / assistant. Look at them. He's rolling our sushi over here. Okay. Look how
Yeah.
Mmm, looks good. Smells good. Boys are waiting patiently. Where's your drinks? Oh, sake. A little sake. What do we got here, sir?
This one we have a shrimp roll that we have spicy tuna on top, some sauces. We got a little unagi sauce, some spicy mayo, a little bit of sriracha, and I am about to hit that, finish it with some crunchies.
Oh, I love crunchies. Look at this yummy sushi. Be jealous. So jealous.
That's all I got.
There's Harvey!
I don't have any good food.
Dance, Jeff.
Look at us start this.
So we've got sockeye and Pacific yellowtail on the outside in a rainbow fashion, and we're inside with cucumbers and avocado. This one is a shrimp on the inside with a crunchy tuna on the outside, crunchy and spicy tuna on the outside. So I do a tuna, spicy tuna, finish it off with a bunch of crunchies, and we have some unagi sauce, some spicy mayo on top of that as well. Over here, this one I did the tuna on the inside, and then we've got yellowtail, scallions, and spicy mayo on the out. And over here, this Bayou Sunrise roll is asparagus, yellow and orange peppers, and shrimp, Cajun spiced shrimp on the inside with tuna on the outside. It's sitting on a floating bed of unagi sauce and topped with some spicy mayo. So round one is here. Enjoy. I'm going to be making a little bit more while you're eating, so enjoy.
Wow.
Pam's rolling some sushi.
Roll it up, baby. You feel like a natural?
Pam, when have you done this?
I made sushi at my house.
At your house?
Yeah.
We gotta get
Just
the
before
stuff.
I hung out with y'all.
Oh, okay.
Now we've got, come here, okay, here, okay, so, and then if you get that blade on the board, you can come right at it, one nice cut.
No pressure, Pam. No pressure.
Okay, now angle down, get that on the board, and come straight through. That's a sharp knife, you're not going to have to go back and forth on it. Fly, get out of there.
The fly is disturbing me.
Yes,
Alright, let's try that again.
Pull that out a little bit. Just,
Let me try it again.
Oh, you had it. You had it. Don't stop. Stay right there. Okay. Now lift that and roll a little. Now, there you go.
There you go, Pam.
Do it again.
And they've gotten to know it.
Yeah.
Boom! What? Is it closing? Looks like it closed.
Oh, I didn't put my
What?
mango on top.
Yeah, that's okay. You do that afterwards. So.
Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. We had a really fun day at the beach. We had some delicious sushi for dinner, but I'm exhausted. I'm going to bed. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.